everyone. You can see Blessing CEO and IVD making love everywhere. Is it a content or not a content? There is one thing I want you people to know. A lot of people are attacking Blessing. Blessing, why did you go to IVD? IVD by Bimbo. Blessing is in love, and IVD now is also in love. See, what I have to say on this is this. Don't be the one to wish them bad. Allow them. She said she don't know IVD when Bimbo was alive. Let's believe her and wish her well. Blessing, I'm wishing you a happy married life. That is because I can see love. I can see you are happy. Though I don't know whether it's content. Even if it's content, Blessing, you are happy with this guy. Go ahead. Even if you are dated, maybe these people have dated when the woman was alive. Please, God will also forgive her. He will forgive her. So right now, the woman is no more. Allow them to marry each other and live well, peacefully. We are not God that judges. We are not God. Don't go and be bringing things back. Bring all things back as if you want to bring the woman back, or you want to bring. I know it is painful. I know this. It's very, very painful. It's very, very painful, especially when I know that if Blessing enter into this man's life, Blessing loves children a lot, and he have a heart of gold. This IVD will start taking care of the children. Honestly, Blessing is too big to neglect somebody's kids. She is not there to collect money. She is just there to amend some things. Honestly, God have bring them together for something purpose. So, don't attack her. Wish her well. Even if she have done wrong. This one now is quite different. We know that IVD and Bimbo has been in a toxic marriage before. And Bimbo had a result in that situation. But will we leave IVD to buy too? Please, let's forgive and let go. Blessing, you are happy, oh. So it's not because you are my sister. No, it's because I can see you are happy. Not only that, in fact, Blessing came up this year with a lot of these things. I can see what you're doing. Oh, Blessing, thanks you a lot. Thanks a lot. And this saga you are doing with Lizzie, this one now, you are doing it with joy and happiness. You are not angry. And this is the best one. Because the other one, I did not like that one at all. But this one, I think I'm enjoying it too. All right. Wish you well.